What is going on, my friend? DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell icon. Get notified anytime I'm uploading new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. So, what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk a little bit about myEcon. I know that's a stray, right? Because I talk about it almost every single video because that is my main source of income. It's how I literally work right here from home. It's an incredible business. If you're not familiar with myEcon, you probably should be. Link in the description down below. If you want to see my full tutorial and overview, letting you know how you get over 10,000, a documented $10,000 in free value with our team training system, funnels, email marketing, everything that we offer you just for getting started in myEcon. Now, right now, at the time of this video, it is only $9.95 to get started with myEcon, which is crazy stupid. And if you're even thinking about it, what is there to think about? For less than lunch than it would cost you to go out to lunch, you could have an at-home business that is proven and documented to work, and we have all the proof and documentation. So anyway, what I was doing the other day is I was kind of over here scrolling through all of my comments, and what I wanted to do is kind of just cover with you probably the top 3 or 4 comments, 3 or 4 questions that I get the most, and just kind of get on the same page here with you because these are the most popular comments and questions that I normally get. So I want to break those down and help you just kind of understand those. Okay. And I'm going to, no really particular order, and I'm just going to shoot from the hip in this video. I'm going to keep it straightforward. So these are some of the most common questions and comments that I am seeing. So I want to cover all that. So if you've been looking at myEcon to get started with myEcon, pay close attention because these are the most popular questions and comments that I'm seeing. So I want to address that for you so you can have a clear understanding and know everything that you're going to get by partnering with me, our team, myEcon, all of that. So in no particular order, number one, and again, this isn't the number one question. It's just number one that I'm going to talk about. Okay. So can I cancel at any time? Now, apparently some of you guys are concerned with the fact that you might be locking into some long-term contracts. No, you are not locked into any sort of long-term contracts. As a matter of fact, you can get your money back within 30 days of getting started with myEcon. So it's kind of win-win. If you invest at the join price now of $9.95 and you say, hey, making large weekly commissions isn't a fit for me, making money from home, saving money, making more money isn't a fit for me, you can quit at any time. You can throw in the towel and give up on yourself at any time, and you're good to go. Now, I'm just going to keep it real like I do in all of my videos. If you're thinking about quitting or how to quit before you even start, I would honestly just say don't bother. That's the reality. And the reason why I'm telling you that is I've been doing this for many, many years. The people that ask me, this is just documented proof over the years, the people that ask me, hey, can I quit, or how do I quit, or how do I, cancel if I don't like, whatever. Those people never do anything. They never will take the initiative, the action, the required necessary steps to get out there and go put in the work that it takes to get results. Because think about this, just a little psychology here for you, my friends. And that's why I have multiple books all over the place here. When you study this stuff, you understand some of this stuff, it just makes a lot more sense. When you're thinking about how to quit something before you even start something, are you really going to put in the effort needed, required to get the job done? And I found that 100% of the time, those people don't ever end up doing anything. I've never been surprised once. So to answer that question, can you cancel or quit at any time? Sure, you can. There's no long-term contracts. But I would also say if you're going to ask that going into it, just don't bother. Just go maybe find another shiny object to go chase because proof is in the numbers and numbers don't lie. Okay. Number two, let's talk about global here for a second. So I created a page just specifically for global. We are not global yet. myEcon is not global yet, but myEcon will be global very, very soon. I was originally told, and I shared that with you in some other videos, that most likely by the end of the year. Okay. It is the beginning of December at the time of this video. So hopefully before the 31st, before the end of the year, but it's going to be very, very soon. Now, why is your voice getting raspy and hoarse, DK? I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know why it is. It just is, but I'm going to roll with it. So we will be global very, very soon. Now, link in the description down below. You can get signed up, be on my first movers list for global. So you will be emailed. You'll be the first to know. As soon as I get word that it's coming or it's right around the corner or it's very, very close, I will be emailing you and letting you know, hey, get ready. I'm telling you right now, I've already done the predictions on this in other videos, that when we go global, it's going to go boom. It's going to go very, very big. We're going to see literally a flood of people join, hundreds, maybe even thousands right out of the gate. So you want to be ready for that. And realistically, if you're watching this now and you're not on the inside, if I were you, I would be on the inside of this before it goes global so you could take advantage of that versus sitting around and waiting. So that's global. I get a lot of questions on that. Is this available in my country? And yes, it will be very, very soon. So please just hang tight. Okay. Number 3. Hey, I'm already in myEcon, or how do I get access to your system? How do I get access to the funnel team marketing and training system, which is the system that is literally, yes, valued at over $10,000. And again, link in the description down below. I go through the full tutorial. I show you exactly what is offered, what we give you just for starting and activating your myEcon business for as little as $9.95. Yes, you still get access to our system. You still get the over $10,000 in free value, everything that we offer. No matter what level you come in at myEcon, you get everything that we offer, almost everything, minus the rotator spots, but that's covered in the tutorial. So plain and simple, the only way to get our system is to get started and be on our team. You cannot be, and this is a common question that I see too, you cannot be on another myEcon team and get access to our system. I've even had people reach out to me and message me and offer me money and say, hey, can I pay you to get your system? I'm on so-and-so's team, or I'm on another team. Can I pay you to get access to your system? No, you cannot. I will not accept payment. You have to be on our team. Sorry, but that's the benefit to being on our team, is you get a proven and documented, done for you system. The only way to get that is to be on our team. You want more information on that? Link in the description down below. Okay. And lastly, and this kind of ties into getting the system, is how do I get started? How do I join directly with you? And although I usually always leave the link right at the top of the video, sometimes people miss that. The easiest way to get started on my team specifically is open up the description down below this video, and you will see this page right here. That is my join option page. I have all the different levels that you can choose from. Right now, you will see the $9.95 promo there, and then you'll see the other join options. So the $100 level, the $40 level, the $20 level, they're all on that page. Pick whatever level works best for you. And what's also great about that page too is it also explains and shows you the true value in what you get. Everything that you're going to get, not only with your myEcon membership, but also what you're going to get as being a member of our team. All the additional courses, training, sales funnels, all of that stuff. It's all listed out on that page. So this is probably one of the most important aspects that you need to know and understand, is what do you get for joining myEcon? That link in the description down below that takes you to that page will spell it all out for you. You can see it all like black and white, just listed out exactly what you're going to get. So again, another popular question that I get when people are joining or about to join, hey, what's the difference between this level and this level? What do I get? Well, link in the description down below. It's all on that page, so you can go check it out for yourself. So those are probably the top questions that I've been getting as I've been going through all of my YouTube comments, messages on, Facebook and TikTok and you guys texting me from my videos here. Those are by far the most common questions. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hope you have a little bit better understanding of how to get started, all the information that's at your disposal. Make sure you hit those links in the descriptions down below and check out any other content that you need to. And as always, link in the description down below or my number in the description down below. You can send me a text message and ask me anything. I reply to every single text message that I get. So thank you for watching, my friend. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button and also ring the bell to get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. I appreciate you. Listen, it's less than $10. Do you really even have to think about it? Hit the link in the description down below. Get started. Get on the inside. Yes, you can cancel at any time, but hopefully that is not your first thought as you are coming in. Trust me, my friend, it is way better to be here on the inside. And I can promise you, if you go through our system, our training, and you apply what we teach you, there is a really good chance that you are going to love what you see and you are going to get results. Now, I can't promise you that, but I can tell you from experience, the people that stay in it to win it and do the work see the results. So if you want that to be you, hit that link in the description down below. Get started, my friend, and you will hear directly from me as soon as you get started, within minutes of you joining, and I will get you instant access to our team site and everything you need to get rolling. Thank you for watching, my friend. I truly appreciate it. It really does help the channel out, and I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.